Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. VS Code and Node. JS are installed and you have a project folder. Open that folder in VS Code, then create index. JS, use the integrated terminal and run npm initY to generate package. JSON, this lets you manage dependencies and scripts. Next, install ESLint and prettier extensions so your code stays consistent. Once done, create a basic console. Log and index. JS to verify the runtime. This first run proves Node and the editor are wired together. Now you configure execution and debugging. Add a start, script, and package. JSON as Node index. JS so npm run start runs your app. Then open the run panel and create a launch. JSON, select Node. JS and pick the program path. This enables breakpoints and step-through debugging. Make sure you enable autofix on save for ESLint and set prettier as the default formatter so formatting is automatic. Once configured, run the start script and use breakpoints to inspect variables and flow to learn why code behaves that way. To finish, install libraries with npm install Axios or similar, then import them using your chosen module system, ES modules or CommonJS, consistent with package. JSON type. Use the debug console to evaluate expressions and the integrated terminal to run scripts and capture stdir. Make sure source maps are enabled for transpiled code. If you run into problems, check one key troubleshooting point: mismatched node versions. Ensure the node in your path matches VS Code's runtime. Restart the window after adjusting settings to apply.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.